Good morning, class. So, we all are discussing about the chapter carbon and its chemistry, and you already know that we discussed some topics from this chapter, like the different type of versatile nature of the carbon atom, tetravalency. We already discussed. We already discussed the catenation and allotropic forms of carbon atom. Okay, so when we are talking about this chapter, as I send you the deleted portion from this chapter, so you have seen that many topics are removed from this chapter. So now there is only the one topic which is left in your course. This is a homologous series. Okay, so before starting the homologous series, we should know something about the basic carbon chemistry. Then only we will be able to solve the question which comes from the homologous series. Okay, so before starting the homologous series, you have to you have to remember and you have to keep it in your mind some basic terms. Okay, for example, as you know that when we are talking about the catenation property, we discussed that when carbon compounds form a link between them, they form a long chain compounds. Okay, and because of these long chain compounds, the different kind of compounds are actually forming. Okay, so now what the terms we are using for that means ki if any compound has one carbon atom, that what term we use in chemistry. If any compound has two carbon atom, then what we use, and after that what kind of bond they have a single bond, they have a double bond, they have a triple bond, what kind of bond they have, we are giving name according to them. Okay, so before starting the homologous series, today we are just going to discuss the basic of that series. Okay, so when there is only the one carbon atom in any compound, okay, so for that time we are using the term, it is a meth. Okay, when there is only one carbon atom, then we use the term meth. Acha, if the two carbon atoms are there, if in any compound there are two carbon atom, then we use the term eth. Okay, meth, eth. If three carbon atoms are there, then we use the term prop. Okay, prop. Okay, if the four carbon atom are there, then we use the term bute. Okay, see, for the first one carbon atom, if any compound has simple single carbon atom, then we'd use the term meth. If any compound has two carbon atom, we use the term eth. Okay, same if the three carbon atoms are there, we use the term prop. Four carbon atom के लिए we use the term bute. ठीक है, meth, eth, prop, bute. Then just suppose that if we have five carbon atom. Okay, so for five carbon atom, if any compound has five carbon atom, so what we are using for the one meth, two eth, prop, bute, then we use the term pent. Okay, if any carbon compound has six carbon atom, then we use the term hex. Okay, 5 for pent, 6 for hex, 7 for hept. ठीक है, if any compound has 7 carbon atom, then we use the term hept, H-E-P-T, hept. Okay, and if any compound has 8 carbon atom, we use the term oct. Okay, again I'm repeating it. If any compound has one carbon atom, we use meth. Two carbon atom, we use eth, ETH. Okay, then for the three, prop. For the four, bute, pent, hex, hept, oct. Okay, and same like that, if any compound has 9 carbon atom, then that time we use non, and if the carbon atom has 10 carbon atom, then that time we use term dec. Okay, and in the case of 9, we all use non. Okay, so first of all, that before starting the homologous series, you should know at least the name of this carbon atom. Okay, then only we can do the homologous series. We can make the homologous series of the different families. Okay, so again I'm repeating it. If there is one carbon atom, then that time we use meth, eth, prop, bute, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec. ठीक है, again repeating, meth, eth, prop, bute, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec. Okay, so now this when you all remember this, then we'll come to the homologous series of a hydrocarbon. ठीक है, so basic hydrocarbons में we discuss the three kind of hydrocarbons. ठीक है, which is like, as I already told you, that if the carbon and carbon has a single bond, if the carbon and carbon has a double bond, and if the carbon and carbon has a triple bond. ठीक है, means for in the first we are talking about the alkane, ALKANE, alkane. ठीक है, in the second we are talking about alkene, ALKENE, ene. Okay, single bond is ane, double bond is ene, and when we are talking about the triple bond, that is alkynes, ALKYNE. ठीक है, you should know about that, YNE. ठीक है, so when there is a single bond, we use the term ANE, ane, alkane. Okay, if there is a double bond, we use the term alkene, ENE. If the triple bond is there, we use the term YNE. Okay, ane, ene, ine. Okay, again alkane, alkene, alkynes. ठीक है, so now in the today's class we are just going to discuss about this alkane. If there is a single and single bond between carbon and carbon, that what would be the homologous series. Okay, so telling it to you first, that what actually the homologous series. Homologous series is that series when we are talking about the member of the same family, and between that members there is a difference of only one CH2 unit. And it means when we are talking about the simplest member and coming to the next member, there is a difference of one CH2 unit. Okay, the difference between first member to the second member is CH2, same second to the third member again CH2, then a third to the fourth member there is a CH2. Agar if you will calculate by the mass, then there is a difference of 14 unit between two things. ठीक है, like two compounds. Fine. So now when we are talking about the homologous series of alkane, or when we are talking about there is a complete single bond between each and every carbon atom, then what will be the homologous series? Okay, so the first member of the homologous series is, when we are talking about the alkane, it will be CH4. ठीक है, this is called as meth, METH, because you know that when there is only one carbon atom we use the term meth. ठीक है, this is the prefix. And what we used as a suffix में what we will do, because we are making the series of alkane, so it will be ane in the suffix, so it will be methane, METHANE. Hope this is clear to you. This is methane. After that I will tell you the formula also, that what is the easy way. ठीक है, अच्छा, formula में if you want to put the values, like formula of the alkane series is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, CnH2n plus 2, where n you can write the number of carbon atom. For example, agar if I will put the 2 here, then what will be the next member? This is C2H2 into 2 plus 2. Yeah, 2 into 2 it means 4, 4 plus 2 it means 6. That means the another member of the alkane family will be C2H6. Okay, now what will be the name of this compound? So there are 2 carbon atoms, so for the 2 carbon atom the name will be eth. ठीक है, and because we are talking about the single bond, that means suffix will be added as ane. Okay, so the complete name of this compound will be as ethane, ETHANE, ethane. ठीक है, so agar if you will put the value 3 here, then what will be the next form? Agar just suppose that if you will put the value 3 in this formula, ठीक है, CnH2n plus 2. If you will put the value 3, it means C3H. Just put the value 3 here, it means 3 to just 6 plus 2 8. It means the third member of this family will be C3H8. And what will be the name of this compound? So C3 are there, C3 के लिए it means we use prop. ठीक है, 3 carbon atoms are there, we use prop. ठीक है, and because this is the alkane family, so we use suffix as a ane. ठीक है, so what will be the name of this compound? It is a propane, ANE. Okay, propane. Same, if the compound have C4, then we say butane. If 5, we say pentane, then hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. Okay, so hope this is clear to you. In the next video we will we will see that what will be the homologous series of alkene and alkyne. It means unsaturated compound which have a double bond or a triple bond. So what you have to do today, you have to write the homologous series in alkene. Okay, again I am repeating it to you. What is the general formula for that? General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. And what is alkane? When there is a single bond between carbon and carbon. Okay, and what we are using ANE, AN as a suffix or number of carbon atom as a prefix. Okay, again I am repeating it. 1 के लिए we are using mate, for 2 we are using 8, for 3 prop, but, pant, hex, hept, oct, non and dec. ठीक है, so write the homologous series of alkane and send it in my personal number, then I will check that is it right or wrong.